Today, the Salt Lake District Attorney's Office has filed charges against the man suspected of killing a West Jordan couple inside their own home while their 3 children were sleeping upstairs.
Fox 13's Elle Thomas joins us live from the District Attorney's Office in downtown Salt Lake with more. Elle.
Yeah, hi, Kelly and Bob. Prosecutors painted a very vivid picture of what investigators believe happened, all leading up to 10 charges being filed against that man, Albert Johnson. That did include 2 counts of aggravated murder.
This is one of those cases that sticks with you.
Flash back to the early morning hours of April 18th, police responded to this West Jordan neighborhood. They found Tony and Katherine Butterfield dead inside of their home while their 3 young children slept upstairs. An investigation led police to Albert Johnson giving long-awaited answers in a tragic case.
Post Miranda, Johnson admitted that he was the person who killed the Butterfields. Johnson stated that he knew the Butterfields and that he believed they had money.
Prosecutors say Johnson wore a mask to cover his face, kicked in the door, and went upstairs to get the Butterfields out of bed, demanding cash. He left the house with just $20 and 2 cell phones, went back to his car, removed his mask, and then realized he didn't have his keys, prompting him to go back. But when he got there, Tony recognized him, calling him by name, asking him why.
Tony then started stabbing Johnson to prevent him from coming back into the house. Johnson said that it was so painful that he shot Tony. Katherine began screaming, and Johnson thought that he saw a neighbor nearby, so Johnson shot Katherine. Johnson then went into the house and retrieved his keys.
Now, weeks after their deaths, 10 charges have been filed against Johnson, but the pain is still there.
To the members of the Crane and Butterfield family, we have done our very best for you. In a fairly long tenure as a law enforcement officer, I've seen a number of homicide cases. Each and every one is an assault on our community, as is this one. We're very mindful of the tremendous heartache. And we're very mindful that we're also doing our work here for 3 orphan children.
Now, given the fact that this is an aggravated murder case, the death penalty is a possibility. Of course, that still has the presumption of innocence. Another thing to keep in mind, Johnson does have a previous felony conviction in California, meaning he could be looking at life without parole. Live in Salt Lake City, Elle Thomas, Fox 13 News, Utah.